All right, Jeff here with Howard's Total Vise. We're going to give you a run through with our gun vise here today. You can see this springs in here, fully padded, capped with rubber. You can't scratch a gun with this. You can't. There's nothing to nick your gun. It pivots, so it'll take any taper of a stock or what have you. Tube drops into the crossover vise. We have a crossover vise here mounted vertically, so it's out of the way on the bench for other tools, to receive other tools. We got one mounted here on the top of the bench. So here you got an AR model, work on the front side or the back side. Quickly, easily lock it, open it up, work on the lower, you get the upper here. You gun guys know what to do with it. That's a cool deal right there. Lock it, safe and sound. And we got the rifle over here. Okay, I'm putting the scope on. I got that quick accessibility to any part of this gun. Again, wrapped in rubber. I can adjust it to take any of that taper in that stock. Okay, so I can put them over here. I can lock them up, loosen my vise up, and I can bring them down. I can lower the vise down, lower into the the gun stock, lower into the vise that I want. I can get to the barrel, I can clean the barrel, I can work along with the gun if I want. So there you have it. Probably the most versatile system that goes that you have. We also have these plates. These also drop tube in the tube. They drop in and you can mount your bench vise on here. 5 seconds, you can go from tool to tool. So right now you got the gun in there. Done. Okay, now if I want, I can take it out. Okay, in 2 seconds. I can drop in another tool into the vise. So this is more than just a gun vise. This is the gun vise, this is the crossover vise. You can do 1,000 jobs, 1,000 positions, whatever you want to do. Here's where you go. There you have it. Come and visit us at totalvise.com, and we'd love to chat with you. Thanks a lot.